Okay, it's I don't want that. Come on, silly phone. So it's Friday, September 26th again. All right, okay. Let me hit live on this thing here. All right, so go live. Oh no, wait. So 3, 2, 1. Hi, we're live again. It's looking at the mirror, looking at the camera. Okay, so we're live. It's that's backwards. There we go. See that? Anyway, it's okay. 26 September once again. You're looking at the picture of the mirror there. And then if I spin the camera around, right, that's really where I'm at. And I gotta lower this thing down. So there's the box I'm going to open, the chair I'm going to sit in, and that's all I know. So, and I've got this little thing playing right here. Got a tape in here. So, batteries are getting old. Oh well. Got to have some kind of sound going on. So there's that. Is that too loud? Anyway. Okay, so I got something going on. Got that, got this. I can see myself in the mirror, that's why I put that thing there. So, without further ado, this has got some rattling going on in here. Anyway, long story short, I repaired a Panasonic RX-5150 and I thought, well, hey, let me see if I can get a national 5150 from wherever, and so I did, and so here it is. But I'm having some second thoughts now because it's got some rattling issues inside this container, so I'm concerned about that. Although it's a very nice, well packaged box, it looks like it doesn't have any damage on the outside, so hopefully they'll put enough packing on the inside to open. Alright, so here we go. This is what we got. We got bubble wrap. Not doing much work there. And it's okay. So can you see it here? It's an oversized box. I should have, I don't know, put a bit more packing in here, but we got some packing on the bottom. Alright, so, well, okay, let's get it out of the box. There goes the box. What is that? It's like batteries in the battery compartment or knobs or something. I don't know. What am I doing with my scissors? There they are. Okay, so it just doesn't sound good. Alright. Maybe it's just marbles. I don't know. That didn't sound good. Okay, so alright, so now here is that. Okay, so we got all the knobs here. Got the push button. Oh, that's what the problem is. Well, it got dropped on the corner. Okay, so got dropped on the corner, people. See that? That's what happened. It got smashed on the corner. Well, is it still repairable? Sure. Just the end of the unit is all bashed to hell. Well, I got a good battery cover, but that's definitely toast. Alright, well, yeah, it's cracked. Okay, so it's cracked all the way up to the top. The front is cracked, the back is cracked. It's got some couple of pieces missing up here. Let's turn this thing off. Alright, well. Oh boy. Let's see here. So I just got, okay, the battery compartment's good. A little bit of rust, but it's got plenty of spring in it, so that'll clean up. Alright, so got a couple of, no way I'm gluing all this back together. Let's see, where can I put this? Alright, okay, so there's that. Alright, well, and here's the power, oh, it came with a power cord, woohoo! I don't need power cords. I run these things on batteries. Okay, so there's that. So, where's the power cord that I got out here? I have a power cord here? We do. We have to look for it. Okay, so let's get this box out of the way. Alright, so there we go. Okay, so I need a power cord. Here's the power cord. Is the power on? The power is on. Okay, so plug it in. Oh wow. Wait. Okay, it might be able to take power. Let's see here. No. No radio. Hey, it's got tunes! Okay, the balance doesn't work. Tone works. There it goes.
Can't do monster. Everything's wrong.
Well, okay, and then let's see here. Will the cassette deck door open? Hit eject. Boom, it springs right open. That's good. The door is straight. So eject. Let's hit rewind. Oh wow. Rewind. How about fast forward? Wow. How about play? And the head's darn. Wait a minute here. We have a good but smashed. Wait, I need the cassette out of here. Wait. Which one's the eject on here? There we go. Eject. Give me that. Heads are really dirty, but this is my test tape. So hit stop on this thing. Throw this in here. Hit that. Hit play. Needs cleaning, but it's in sad shape, let me tell you. This thing is really busted. So if you want a good working radio that needs a little cleaning, it's got some serious, it's cracked on both sides. That side, or serious. Well, you saw it here. It just broke even further. I'm gonna make. Okay, so. Yeah, it still works. Just now needs like. Well, can't put a channel on here anymore. Maybe I can put a strap to the top of it. Put a strap to the top of it and play it. So. Anybody need a parts unit? Got a really good parts unit here. It works fine. Just needs a few parts to it, like the front and the back. Okay, so I don't have to change the belts in this thing. It works great. Just oh well. This is the first one I've gotten from a way over wherever this arrived damaged but working great. That's just okay, well. Let's see. Well, the handle's good. Good condition handle. Antenna is complete. Oh my, I can't get it up there. There we go. Antenna, there's the antenna. Perfect antenna. They only packed it a little bit better. I wouldn't be dealing with this here. So it's like Fast forward's great. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, well, had my fun. Okay. Well, okay, so works great, just needs a little Bondo. That'll buff out, right? That's what they say, right? This will buff out, okay? So yeah, it'll buff out. Where's the tuning knob on this thing? Did it ever have a tuning? I think I tuned it briefly, right? Oh, who knows where that went to. Alright, well, okay, so just put this on here. Here, we can play the tape a bit more. Play it just, where'd the tuning knob go? It's like, alright, so, yep, there's the, oh, there it is. Okay, so, yep. Yeah, we, okay, so here's some slightly bigger pieces. So are we having fun yet? Yeah, you missed it. It broke while I was showing the YouTube camera, but okay, well, I've got a good, well, the pylon's not even good. Okay, so this goes like that, that there, okay, well, alright, great. Oh, I was looking for the tuning knob. Hey, the tuning knob is in good condition. Maybe I can tune the radio some more now. Let's see here. Okay. Well, no, the tuning knob broke off a little piece of it, so that's was never really on there. Okay, well, just there it is. Okay, so go back to the radio, right? The radio.
Of course. Same Dallas. We work with 100.7 FM. All listeners know you share their values.
Well, if you need a shop radio or something like that that plays, but you can't carry anywhere because it doesn't have a handle, maybe I can put a couple of strings through here and just pick it up, and maybe this will break it. Well, that's gonna, yeah, that's not gonna, yeah, that's gonna come apart too. All right, you can't do that either. Hey, good shelf radio. All right, the radio works. These controls need cleaning. Tape player plays perfectly. It's dirty, but it needs cleaning. Alrighty, well, this isn't, well, okay, well, I have one more. Shut down and reboot and do it again, and get my tape out of here. Eject, there we go. At least the cassette deck door is great. That's a good one. Alright, well, okay. Alright, well, so where do you turn this off? There we go. Too many buttons and knobs. That's why I don't like these models. There's too many levers. You got your ambience, your metal tape, your line-in radio, whatnot, your record mute, your band select, your level mic mixing. There might have been a knob there. Let's see, wait. That probably popped off and fell somewhere. I can't remember if it had one at the beginning. Okay, well, I have to pick up all these plastic bits and such. Anyway, that's all. Okay, well, here's that. My tape. Okay. Let me let's see here. So, here's this. Here's a plastic piece. That. This. Okay. Yep. Okay. There's a piece over there. All right. So. All right. So. Yep. You saw it first. Right here. Okay. So. It broke. Let's see here. Here. Give me this. Give me that. All right. So. Up close and personal here. So what broke? That broke like that. Right. Okay. And then we've got a couple of holes on top here, and hold the camera. Okay, put this thing up in my lap. There we go. Can't really. Okay, so then we got like this. So it all here. Let's just turn it sideways. Heck with it. So yeah, works fine. Just needs a little Bondo. All right. So And we got all that, and got pieces going everywhere, and there's one way over there. And okay, so I got to find this knob. I don't know if it had one, but all the rest of them are there. All right, so anyway, good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Just this down. Had fun. All right, so I'll do this one more time. All right, thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye. Gotta go.